Guys, today I'm going to be playing an obby on Roblox called Super Mario Plumber Obby, and I actually created it on Roblox Studio. So I'm going to be playing it and showing you guys it, so enjoy the video. We are in Super Mario Plumber Obby, and this is an obby based off the 1980s or 90s original Mario movie film. The characters, as you can see there's Mario and Luigi, over there.
Hello there.
This is actually my game. I created this, and I'm going to be doing walkthrough, or I'll be showing you clips of me completing stage 1 of my game. The link to my game on Roblox is in the description. Now, if you want to see stage 2 over there, completed in the game, like and subscribe, and that will help me out. Thank you. Guys, without further ado, let's get into stage 1 of my game. Guys, that was me completing stage 1 of my game, Super Mario Plumber Obby. But again, if you want to see stage 2 coming out in the game, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos or more games, obby games on Roblox, or if you want me to create more obby games, comment and what your idea is, and I'll do it. And that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!